Now you might say, well, why now? Well, there have been significant changes to the science and innovation policy landscape. At the forefront of these changes is the Sainsbury Review, which made recommendations that were accepted by the 2007 Comprehensive Spending Review and formed the framework of Innovative Nation, published in March this year. Another reason for launching the strategy now is that HEFCE are about to publish the results of the triennial research assessment exercise. This all-important review is both a critical review of the comparative research capabilities of the universities in the country, and even more important, determines the amount of research funding each of our universities will receive from government over the next 3 years. The changing commitments, coupled with the reinforcement of the regional role in innovation in the subnational review, mean that it is important to articulate the region's strategic ambitions, to highlight our strengths and propose areas for future policy consideration. The changing policy landscape means a more visible and strategic role for the South West Science Industry Council, who do provide a voice for science, technology, industry and innovation at a national and regional level. The South West is part of the national and international picture, and our aim is that this document is one that not only resonates at the regional level, but also provides evidence and weight to accompany government thinking about location and investment. The current economic climate is uncertain. There is a cautious and wary mood within business. It is important that innovation, as a key driver of productivity, remains at the forefront of our thinking, and not only helps business through the current economic downturn, but also enables it to flourish in the future. Dire situations do inspire ingenious solutions. What does this strategy tell us? Well, as I've said, we're at a crucial stage in the growth of the South West and in the UK economy. We need to take stock and establish a coordinated approach to innovation-led economic growth in the South West. And the recommendations contained within this document will provide and explore a potential approach. We certainly do not believe that the Council has all the answers, and we want to hear your views and gain your input. As well as recommendations, there are key questions exploring areas of importance for the South West. We want to explore the areas where we can truly excel and where the South West expertise has potential for significant impact and economic growth. The take-up by business of science and technology and new production techniques is key in supporting economic growth through increased productivity. It is also essential in positioning companies to take advantage of future market opportunities and to provide them with competitive advantage. There is a wealth of expertise in the South West, but it is important that the public sector focuses on those areas where it can really have an impact. As well as the danger of spreading commitment and focus too thinly, public sector intervention can, on some occasions, skew development towards meeting funding objectives rather than business need. This document will inform the development of an investment framework for the South West RDA and help to put in place the mechanisms with which we can work with global business and national technology bodies. It is essential, therefore, that the technology themes and investments are prioritised and there is focus on those areas which will have significant impact, economic impact, for the region. Who is it for? Well, it's for all of us. It's much more than just guidance for the South West RDA. It's a regional document. Yes, its development has been led by the South West Science and Industry Council. In it, there are initial recommendations to the South West RDA, as well as questions that we are putting to all of the stakeholders in the region. Businesses in the South West already understand that they compete in the global marketplace, and we want the final recommendations of the South West RDA to truly reflect the Southwest region and allow us to focus on those things that will really make the difference in the years ahead, as well as to celebrate and to promote and build on the many strengths that we have within the region. The document asks a number of questions which need to be answered to drive the region forward. And this slide gives you an idea of the kind of questions that we are asking. They are not easy, nor are they straightforward, but they do pose a challenge for industry, academia, the research institutions, and the public sector. We also make a number of recommendations about the way ahead. We know that there are many more questions and recommendations that will occur to you as you read this document. We want to know what these are. We also know that we have limited funds, so how can they be prioritised? What is really important for the region going forward, and what are really just nice-to-haves? Please think about what we've written and contribute to the consultation. I promise you that every suggestion is valued and that your contributions really will make a difference. There are a number of people here today in this conference with whom you can discuss this document. Many of us are council members. There are also members of staff from the RDA and from the innovation team. And perhaps just to help you with that process, if I could ask those people just kindly to stand up and be recognised. Thank you. So please capture us as the day progresses. There are, of course, a number of networking opportunities. Failing that, please call or email us after the conference ends. Our timescale is to consult as widely as possible over the next 6 weeks or so, with a view to publishing the finalised document at the end of March. We really do want to hear from you.